All right, good morning, everybody. We got some dense fog that we're kind of working through this morning. Some dense fog advisories for some parts of the area until 9 o'clock this morning. Tyler, Mineola, Gilmer, Longview, Henderson into Carthage and Marshall, and areas further to the north and east. All counties within this gray shaded area are within that dense fog advisory for visibilities as low as a quarter mile or less. So some pretty low numbers there. Certainly want to make sure you are leaving with a little bit of extra time, and when you actually leave this morning, certainly make sure to drive very, very slowly. These are some very dangerous numbers that will be impactful for this morning, at least until 9 o'clock. Then by the time we get after that, we'll see a little bit more sunshine and clouds will begin to clear. Temperatures will go from chilly to nice and comfortable for the afternoon. We'll see highs in the upper 60s and low 70s with some fairly light winds. Winds will begin to pick up for tomorrow, though, with a little bit more moisture. We could see another round of some fog and potentially a couple of showers here and there into tomorrow morning. And then once that kind of moves away, we'll end up with some more sunshine for the afternoon, and high temperatures will reach the upper 60s and low 70s, and winds could potentially gust up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour at times. Clouds will make a return for Wednesday morning. Temperatures starting off even warmer in the 60s, and then we shoot for the upper 70s and low 80s with some broken clouds. We'll see some peaks of sunshine in there. High pressure, the dominating factor over our weather over the next few days until we get this cold front to come through. This could spark off a couple of showers, maybe some thunderstorms into this weekend. And of course, some cooler temperatures for the later half of the weekend as well. We're talking about highs dropping down into the low 60s, and rainfall over the next 7 days, really taking only into account the rain that we're going to be seeing this weekend, which is going to be our only chance of rain for quite some time. We're only expecting around trace amounts up to 1/10 of an inch. It's not going to be all that much. Of course, this map is going to be changing as we get a little bit more data, as we get a little bit more confident on what we're going to be seeing for this weekend. So we'll keep you updated throughout the week. And we are expecting very mild conditions into the next 8 to 14 days. So February 24th through the beginning of March, expecting a big chunk of the country, of course, including East Texas, in some very mild temperatures. And we're going to be expecting near average rainfall as well. So pretty standard there, except for those mild temperatures. We're expecting pretty warm temperatures that could be pretty close to record. 70s for the afternoon. We'll start out with some fog, of course, some cold temperatures, chilly in the 40s. And then we'll see those foggy conditions go away into the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. We'll end up with some mostly sunny skies. We got some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for Tuesday, with another round of potentially some dense fog there. 76 for the high there, 79 by Wednesday with mostly cloudy skies, up to 80 for Thursday with a small chance of rain. That's going to be ahead of that cold front. Then back down to the low 70s for Friday into Saturday with that chance of showers. And then we go deeper into that air mass where we could see highs around 64 by Sunday.